Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss exercise number B of your exponents chapter. So this exercise is based on your laws of exponents. We have already discussed what are law of exponents in our previous class. So I'll ask you to again go through them and let us understand now our exercise number B. So your first question says evaluate. So in this we'll see your first question, first part. So the question is 5 raised to the power of minus 3. So whenever we have power in minus, so what happens is we reciprocal the value to make the power as positive. So now this will become as 1 by 5 raised to the power of 3. So when you will expand this, so this will come to be as 1 upon 1 by 25. Now we will see one more part of this, third part. It says 5 by 2 raised to the power of minus 3. So again, as you can see here, we have minus 3 as power, so we'll make this first as positive. So to make this positive, first we'll reciprocal the value. So this will come as now in positive 3. Now again, if you'll expand this will 2 cube is 8 and 5 cube is 125. So your answer will be 8 by 125. Now we'll see question number 2, evaluate. In this we'll see question number 3 first, because first and second, if you are able to understand part 3, then you will be very easily to able to do your first and second question also of this. So the question says minus 7 by 9 raised to the power of minus 3 into minus 7 by 9 raised to the power of minus 2. So if you have prepared your laws of exponent and if you know, then we have discussed a law number 1 over there, that is when the bases are same, power adds. So similarly, as you can see in this question, our base are same in both the cases. Alright, but see, we are having a negative power, so let us make a value first positive. So 9, this will become as 9 by 7 minus 9 by 7 raised to the power of 2. Now again we can see both the bases are same, so we'll add this. So after adding 3 plus 2, this will come to be as minus 9 by 7 raised to the power of 5. So once you expand this or multiply 9 5 times, so you will get result as your 59049 divided by 16807. Or another way of doing is this is also you can expand from here. See, 9 by 7 and your power is 3. So 9 cube is 729 and 7 cube is 343 into 9 square is 81 and 7 square is 49. So then you can multiply and you will get the same result. So it is up to you what method or approach you want to use in this. Now we will see question number 3. It says simplify and express with positive exponents. Alright. So exponent means your power. So we have to show the power in positive form. Alright. So we will see first part of this. It says 4 by 9 raised to the power of minus 3 into 4 by 9 raised to the power of 11 and 4 by 9 raised to the power of 10. So now again, as you can see, base are same in all the cases. So in this also we'll apply our law number 1, that is a raised to the power of m and a raised to the power of n gives us a result as a m plus n, because when bases are same, powers add. So we just have to add our powers over here. So once you add them, you will get your answer as 4 by 9 raised to the power of 18. Now let us see second part of this. Your question again says minus 2 by 3 raised to the power of minus 4 and into 1 by 8 raised to the power of minus 4. So here we can see our bases are different but the powers are same. So when power are same, we apply law 4 of your exponent, that says when your bases are same but your power is when your base are different but your power is same, so we multiply the base and your power comes as common over here. So we'll do the same thing here also, that is first of all we'll make this positive, so we'll reciprocal this in both the cases. Now we'll multiply this as the law says, and once you'll multiply this and reduce the values, you will get minus 3 into 4 raised to the power of 4. So once you multiply this, you will get your answer minus 12 raised to the power of 4. Coming on to your question number 4 now. So again your question number 4 says evaluate. So we'll see the fourth part. See, your first three parts is multiplication. So I have already covered in your question number 3. They are similar. So that is why in your question number 4, fourth part, I have picked up the division question over here, so that you can see questions of your division category also. So your first one is, it says minus 1 by 4 raised to the power of minus 3 divided by 3 by 8 raised to the power of minus 2. So we have seen in all the questions we have done, first thing what we have done is we have converted our power from negative to positive. So for that we'll again reciprocal this. I hope this is clear to you. Now see, wherever we have a division sign, alright, so to convert it into multiplication, what we do is we reciprocal the value. Alright, so we'll reciprocal this. So this will become as minus 4 by 1 raised to the power of 3, and your division will be changed into multiplication sign once we reciprocal this. So again now we'll expand this. 4 cube is 64 by 1 into 3 square is 9 by 64. So 64 and 64 will cancel, but the minus sign will remain over here. So minus 1 into 9 will give you a result as minus 9. Now let us see sixth part of this. It says 5 raised to the power of 1 into 3 raised to the power of minus 1, and outside the bracket we have power as minus 1, then we have division sign, and 6 raised to the power of minus 1. Again what we will do first, we'll eliminate the negative power, and so for that we'll reciprocal this. 1 by 5 into 1 by 3, and 1, this is outside our bracket, so it will remain like this only. Again this will change because we have to make our power positive over here, so we reciprocal over here. So here see, now it will come to be as, see, again we have power in negative over here, so again we have to change. So again this will reciprocal and it will come to be as 5 into 3, and as I have already discussed, division, when we convert this into multiplication, it again reciprocals. So 5 into 3 is 15, and this 6, so 15 6 is 90. Now we'll moving ahead to question number 5. It says find the value of. So we'll see second part of this question. So it says 4 raised to the power of minus 1 plus 8 raised to the power of minus 1 divided by 2 by 3 raised to the power of minus 1. So again, to make it positive, we'll reciprocal both the values, and same we have done over here also. Now we'll take the LCM of this, so it will come to be as 8. Now in 4 table 8 goes 2 times, so that is why this will come as 2 over here, and in 8 table 8 goes 1 time, so 1 will come over here, and we will keep the division sign like this only for now. So now once you add this, this will become as 3 by 8 divided by 3 by 2. So now again, to remove the division sign, we'll reciprocal it to make it multiply. Alright, so 3 and 3 will cancel out over here, so we will be left by 2 by 8. Once you cancel out, you will get your result as 1 by 4. Moving ahead, we will see part 4 of question number 5. It says 2 raised to the power of 0 plus 3 raised to the power of minus 1, and outside bracket you have 3 square, which is multiplied by this value. So here, as you can see, 2 raised to the power of 0. Again, your law 6 in your exponent, when m is having a power, when any integer or number is having a power as 0, the value always comes to be as 1. So same we will do over here. 2 raised to the power of 0 will become as 1. Since it is having a minus negative power, so we'll reciprocal this. 3 square will become as 9. We'll again take the LCM. So after taking the LCM, this will become as 3 plus 1 divided by 3 into 9. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 by 3 into 9. So we'll cancel out. So 4 into 3 is 12. So students, for today we will keep it till here, till question number 5. I want you to try all the questions from this exercise. I will send you the pages of the exercise. So please try all the questions, and the rest of the exercise we'll discuss in our next class. Thank you.